Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
I'm good.
How was your day?
It was good.
Okay, let's start. So last time we started the Nun Sakun and the Tanween rules, right?
Yeah.
Okay, can you tell me something about what is a Nun Sakun?
A non-sukoon is there are like four rules. One is hard, which is when you pronounce it clear, and then the second one is idgham when it's joined, and then ikhfa is when it turns into a mean.
So these are the pronunciations, right?
Uh,
So like sometimes we say it with a clear sound and sometimes we
um,
join it. But what actually is a Nun Sakun?
um,
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Yeah.
Yeah, so I was asking what is a Nun Sakun? What does the Sakun means?
Um, when it's like when it's joined to the other letter.
Yeah, which means having a haraka of Sakun, right?
Yeah.
So Nun Sakun is a Nun
Having a haraka.
having a sign of Sakun or Jazm above it, right?
Yeah.
And what is Tanween?
A tanween is um. It was sorry. Um. When there's when there's um when there's when to make it clear. Or wait, without.
Okay, so Tanween is basically all the double harakas, right?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
So whenever there is a sign and it's double, just like instead of zabar, we have two zabars, it's a part of tanween, right?
Yeah.
And if it's a zair and it's double, it's going to be a tanween, right?
Yeah.
So noon sukun is going to be every time you see the letter noon in the Quran and that noon is having specifically the jazm sign above it, not the zabar zero page, just a sukun above it. It means it's a noon
Mm,
sukun. Or if we have any double haraka, it means it's a tanween, right? So
yeah.
whenever we have the noon sukun or the tanween, the double haraka, what we do is we always have to see which letter is present next to it, right?
Mm,
Because the next letter is going to be making this different sounds for that noon sukun or for that double haraka, right?
mm,
And if that letter, the letter that is present right next to the noon sakun or maybe the double haraka, is one of the letters from the throat letters that are hamza ha, ain ha, ghain kha. How do we pronounce that noon sakun?
how to make it clear?
Yeah, if it's noon sakun, we will pronounce it clearly. If it's a double haraka having a throat letter next to it, again we have to make that double haraka sound very clear. And what do we call it?
Mm-hmm.
The clear sound
So,
as,
what we call the clear sound.
sorry?
Oh, can you repeat the question again?
Oh, so I was saying when we pronounce the noon sakun or the double haraka clearly, what does what's the name that we use for it?
Is it Izhar?
Yeah, izhar. We say that we have done izhar, which means we have pronounced them clearly, right?
Yeah.
And which letters do we pronounce clearly? Is it the noon sukoon or the double haraka or the throat letters?
It's the nose horn and the double hook.
Amazing, perfect. So this was what we discussed last time, and we have done the pronunciations with the noon sukoon. Today we will be doing them with the double harakas. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
let's start. Say the dua. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
ربي اشرح لي
ربي اشرح لي
صدري
صدري
ويسر لي
ويسر لي
أمري
أمري
واحلل
واحلل
عقدة
عقدة
من لساني
من لساني
يفقه
يفقه
قولي.
قولي.
ربي
ربي
زدني
زدني
علما.
علما.
ربي
ربي
زدني
زدني
علما.
علما.
Okay, can you say from here?
أم ينأونا
Good.
ينحونا
Yeah.
ينإيكو
Good.
ينهيتونا
With the page.
أو تونا
So again.
ينهيت ينهيتونا
Good.
فستن غيد أنفسجن غيدون غيدونا
Yeah, we have to stretch the vowel method as well.
أم فسينغيدونا
غيدونا.
غيدونا
Good. Again.
فس فسينغيدونا
Good. Again.
فسينغيدونا
Okay, this one.
ألغون فتاتو
المن خاني
المنخرطة
قاتو. المنخنقة.
خانطة
خنقة.
خانطة
The letter cough is going to be heavier. المنخنقة.
المنخنقة
Yeah, okay, this one.
من من آمنا
Yeah, good again.
من آمنا
Yeah, this one.
من حاد
Good.
من من خوف
Kha with the vowel with the zabar.
من خوف
Good. Let's make the kha more stronger.
من خوف
Perfect. Okay. So over here, now we have the examples with the double haraka. So this is the dua having the double haraka. What we have to do is we have to see which letter is present next to it. So we are going to consider the one that is having any haraka, okay? So over here it's ha, and ha is among the letters of the double of the throat letters, right?
Yeah.
So what we have to do is now we have to make the double zabar, that is an unsound, very clear. Okay? Because sometimes it's like qardon and sometimes it's like qardon, making the last N letter sound very nasal. So we have to make sure that we make it clear whenever there is a throat letter next to it. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
And if there is no letter next to it, let's suppose the I is ending over here, we are going to make it silent by saying the double haraka with a single zabar, right?
Yeah.
So
Yep.
right now we are going to say it with the double haraka, like the double sound. But if it happens in the Quran, you don't see any letter next to it, so you don't have to get confused that am I going to make it clear or am I going to make it nasal or whatsoever the sound is. We have to make it just the silent, the work rulings. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
perfect. Let's say it. Qardwan
قرضا
hasanan.
حسنا.
Yeah, so we said the don sound regular because of the letter ha next to it, right?
Mm.
Okay, can you say it by yourself?
قرض قرضا حسنا.
Yeah.
مي مي ميثا ميثاقا غ- غلي غليظا.
Yeah. Okay, so you have to be very careful. Focus on this word again and see if there is something that you're missing.
My
Uh-uh.
me no no me مثال مثاقا.
Okay, can you say which rules are coming in this word?
um the the yes
Mm-hmm.
and
How
then the
what is happening with the yeah?
oh supposed to stretch it, right?
Yeah, it's yamada.
uh,
Okay, next one.
and then the alif manta, and
Yeah.
then
So what we have to do is we have to stretch the yamada and the alif mada for 3 seconds long, which is going to be an equal sound for both of them, right?
mm,
So like mithaqan,
mm,
like that.
ميثاقا
Good.
غل- غلي غليظا.
Perfect. Perfect. Okay, this one.
شيء شيء عليم.
Good. Okay, again.
شيء عليم.
Perfect. Okay, this one.
حكيما
Mm-mm.
حكي حكيم حكيم حميد
It's mean with the yeah.
حميد.
Yeah. Okay, so we have to make the both the has very clear.
حكيم حميد.
Then
دين.
yeah, because if we say it halfway or nasal, it's going to be the wrong pronunciation. Okay?
Mhm.
Yeah, because we have to change the sound depending upon the next letter. And we can't see any letter next to it, so it should be clear. Like Hamidin. Yeah, this one.
أذى 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 عذاب غليظ.
Ghalizin.
غليظ.
Yeah, if we say it like ghalizi, Z is the sound of the single zir. It's Zair is giving an E sound, but double Zair is giving an N sound. So we have to make the N sound very clear. Ghali, Zin. Say it.
غليظ.
Good. Okay, this word again from here.
عذاب غليظ.
Good job. Okay, this one.
حور حور عين.
Be careful.
حور عين.
Yeah, now you pronounced it right. Can you tell me what was the thing that we were not focusing at before?
The واو مد اللي هي
Yeah, good job. Now you can point out your mistakes for yourself. This is what makes your understanding very good, alhamdulillah. Okay, again.
حور عين.
Good job. Okay, this one.
عزيز حكيم.
Yeah, this one.
عذاب غليظ.
Yeah, this one.
قر- 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 قرآنا
Mm-hmm. So again,
ع-
do not stretch the raw. Qur'anan.
قرآنا قرآنا عجبا.
Yeah, one more time.
قرآنا عجبا.
Ajaban.
عجبا.
Yeah, we cannot stretch the simple harakas, okay? Until and
Mhm,
unless we have the conditions of letters of maddas going on, okay?
mhm,
Let's do the double harakas practice again. Yeah, so from here again.
mhm. قر- قرضا حسنا.
Yeah,
حسنا.
yeah, good. Again.
قرضا حسنا.
Perfect. This one.
ميثاقا. ميثاقا غليظا.
Gha.
غليظا.
With the ghain
غ-
very stronger.
غليظا.
Good. Okay, one more time.
ميثاقا غليظا.
One more.
غالظا.
Ghalizan.
غليظا.
Yeah, okay, this one.
شيء عليم.
Yeah, one more time.
شيء عليم.
Mm-mm. Yeah,
عليم.
yeah, okay, this one.
حكيم حميد.
Good again.
حكيم حميد.
Good job, this one.
عذابا
Mm-mm.
غليظ.
Adab.
أو عذيب غليظ. عذاب عذاب غليظ.
Good. One more time.
عذاب غليظ.
Yeah.
غفور عين.
Good again.
غفور عين.
Yeah, okay, this one.
عزيز حكيم.
Yeah, again.
عزيز حكيم.
Good job.
عذاب غليظ.
Good again.
عذاب غليظ.
Yeah, this one.
قرآنا عجبا.
So do not stretch the letter Jim.
عجبا.
Good. Okay, one more time.
قرآنا عجبا.
Ajaban.
Ajaban.
Good. Okay, let's do from the beginning. Yeah, this one.
Um, yan, yan, yan'auna,
Good.
yanhauna,
Good.
yan'iku,
Mm-hmm.
yanhikuna,
Yeah.
fasayunghiduna,
Good job.
almunkhaniqatu,
Yeah.
man amana,
Good.
min hadin,
Yeah.
min khawfin,
Yes, it's wow lean, so we cannot stretch. How?
oh, min khawfin,
Good job. Okay, yeah, this one.
um, qar, qar, qardan hasanan,
Mm-hmm.
mithaqan غليظا
Yeah.
شيئا شيء
Uh-uh. Make e.
شيء شيء
Yeah.
أليم
Yeah, Mother. It's going to be stretchy sound.
أليم
Good. One more time.
شيء أليم
Yeah, this one.
حكيم حميد
Yeah.
عذاب غليظ
Mm-hmm.
حور عي- عي- عين
Good.
عزيز حكيم
Yeah.
عذاب خالد
Mm-hmm.
وقرآن عجبا
Yeah, make the nun sound very clear.
قرآنا عجبا
Good job. Okay, leave
عجب
that. Yeah, yeah,
عجبا
yeah, good job. Okay, so we're done with the exercise of the izhar over here. Can you tell us how do we do the izhar if there is a tanween sign?
if this is to make the um very clear.
Yeah, when?
If there's like throw two letters after it,
Mm-hmm. Can you name the throat letters?
the hamza, ha, ain, ghain, and ha, and
And the very clear ha as well, right?
yeah,
The one that is just like the ha without a dot. So
yeah.
this is what the definition of ishar says, and we have to make it very clear sound. Amazing. So this was the very first pronunciation for the noon sakun and the double haraka. The next pronunciation is going to be idgham, that is basically a joining sound. Do you want to do it today or should we do it in the next class?
Um, um, I think maybe the next class.
Sure. So inshallah, in the next class, we will be discussing when are we going to join the sounds of the noon sakun and the double harakas with the next letters. Because it's going to be a very different sound, just like the shadda, the one that we have to say 2 times, right? So it's
Mm,
going to be along with that, it's going to be involving the ghonna sounds, the nasal tones, but the stretchy sounds as well. So what you have to do is you just have to memorize the izhar letters by heart till the next
mm,
lesson so that we can move towards the idgham so that we don't have to memorize any other letter for the pronunciation. Okay?
Okay.
We're done with the lesson over here. Any questions related to the noon sukun and the double harakas rulings?
No.
Let's do the dua now. Okay, so which dua were we doing last time?
I think it was dwell when it rains.
So what should we say when it rains?
Allahumma sayyiban nafi'an.
Yeah, and why do we do so?
For like if it's like raining very heavy to like for um
It can be like harmful for us, right? If it's
mm,
if it's raining heavily, we can have floods, we can have problem with the
mm,
electricity or something dangerous for the animals as well, right? For the stray cats
yeah.
and dogs. So we should always ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for the thing that is beneficial for us. Okay,
Mm,
so we have one more dua. It's a little bit longer, but inshallah we will divide it into parts so that we can memorize it easily. It's a very
mm,
beautiful dua. You might have heard people saying it whenever it's the month of Ramadan, or if it's Eid
mm,
celebration. Why do we do so? And what this dua basically means? It is basically the dua for citing the crescent moon. Do you know what a crescent moon is?
yeah.
Can you explain it?
That's like a new moon.
Yeah. So why should we say the dua when it's a crescent moon?
Um
Okay, do you know the difference between the lunar calendar and the one that we do use, um the British calendar? Like
I
these.
know there's two
Mhm.
I know there's two calendars like a thing, but I don't know so much about it.
Okay. Okay, let me explain. So the one that we use, the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, these are the ones that are following the sun. This calendar is following the sun, okay?
Mm,
And the days are going to be 20, it's 30 or 31 days, and sometimes for the February it's less than 30 days, right? So
yeah.
what happens is that we have this calendar getting repeated after I think 10 years or so. But what happens is the months are going to be same for every year. If it's winter in December, it's going to be winter in December, right?
Mm,
So the months don't change according to the weather. But what happens with the lunar calendar is it basically follows the moon. And the
mm,
months are changing according to the shapes of the moon. If it's because the moon is not following any specific rotation, so it keeps on changing during the like you might have seen that sometimes the Ramadan is in very hot weather, but sometimes it's
yeah.
nowadays it's getting in the colder weather, right? We are having
Yeah.
short days and long nights. So the Ramadan is getting easier for us. Why? Because the Ramadan and the Islamic months are following the lunar calendar, which means the
Mm,
date of the months is following the shape of the moon. So whenever there's a new moon, it means a new month is starting. So whenever we have a new beginning, we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make this new thing, this new journey or new anything that is new, make it beneficial for us, right?
mm,
So this dua basically means, oh Allah, bring us the new moon with security and faith, with peace and in Islam, because like we ask Allah to subhanahu wa ta'ala to have the time that we are getting in this month be a safe time for us, and we have the good state of deen or the Islam in us, like the level of our spirit or the Islam, the what do we say, the knowledge of Islam and the spiritual connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala becomes more good and better in every day of this month. Okay?
mm,
This is what the dua
mhm.
is saying. Let's say it. Allahumma
اللهم
ahillahu
أحله
alayna
علينا
bil amni
بالأمن
والإيمان.
والإيمان
اللهم
اللهم
أهله
أهله
علينا
علينا
بالأمن
بالأمن
والإيمان.
والإيمان.
It's an option here. We will do the rest of the part in the next class. Okay?
Mhm.
You have to say this dua whenever you see the crescent moon, like the very first or second day when we are able to see the very new moon. Okay? And we most commonly say it in the Ramadan or Eid, but we should say it in the beginning of every month. Okay?
Mhm. Mhm.
We are done with the lesson over here to try to memorize this part, and we will complete this dua in the next class. Okay? We are done with the lesson. Any questions?
No.
Okay, then see you inshallah in the next class. Have a great day ahead. Assalamu alaikum.
Bye.
Bye.